is eminently, spelled E-M-I-N-E-N-T-L-Y. Eminently is an adverb. It's used as a synonym of the word very and means to a high degree. Here's the word used in a sentence from Forbes by Carla Alendahow. As far as tequila goes, blancos are by far my favorite, and not without good reason. They're eminently drinkable, whether in cocktails, on the rocks, or neat. When British physician Tobias Venner wrote in 1620 of houses somewhat eminently situated, he meant that the houses were literally located in a high place. That use has since slipped into obsolescence, as has the word's use to mean conspicuously, a sense that reflects its Latin root, eminere, which means to stick out or to protrude. The figurative sense of notably or very that is prominent today was likely a new development when Venner was writing. With your word of the day, I'm Peter Sokolowski.